Hello everyone, welcome to Paranormal and Spiritual World. Today we will talk about why possessed people generally bite their nails. I've already made a video on this subject in Hindi language, so this video is in English language for the viewers who want it. This tendency of biting nails, especially by possessed people, it reflects a kind of sense of fear inside them. The kind of things they are seeing every day, the hallucinations they are getting every day, it is creating a kind of fear in their mind which is unbearable, intolerable, and unexplainable. They are in a state of confusion. They really don't know what to do, how to manage that fear, how to make themselves believe that everything will be okay. And in a sense of insecurity, they bite their nails, and they bite their nails to such an extent that sometimes they hurt themselves. This is a very common and you can say very clear symptom of a possessed person, although generally also people have tendency of biting their nails, but there are other paranormal factors involving in that particular person showing other symptoms as well. Symptoms of abnormality, symptoms of being shaky or being sweaty every time, being restless, impatient, being too much arrogant and angry, and apart from all that, having bad dreams, nightmares, hallucinations, doing abnormal things, which anybody will if see will definitely come to a conclusion that this particular person is not normal. So this is a kind of fear which is inhibited in them due to frequent paranormal encounters which they really notice every day, every second, every moment, I can say. So when they are not able to convey themselves to their family or to anyone about the fear they are gazing every day, they try to harm themselves. They try to control the whole atmosphere by either biting them or biting their body or their nails or hurting them. Sometimes they cut their hair, sometimes they self-harm through knives or something. So all these abilities are self-hurting, especially when the things are really uncontrollable by these people who are possessed. And because the paranormal encounters are frequent and explosive and really scary for them, so they do not get any option left except self-harming them. And nail biting to an extent of hurting themselves where blood is coming out of the nails is one of the symptom of a paranormal possessed person who is left alone, or you can say is in a condition where he or she does not know what to do. So it's a whole state of confusion creating such tendencies in a person who is abnormal or acting abnormal due to paranormal issue in his or her life. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to watch this same video in Hindi language, I have given the link below in the comment box. You can go and browse from there. Thank you so much.